business attorney is going to be the protective a blanket of the business. That business attorney is schooled and has a foundation and background in contracts, and that's what every business is composed of. Every contract that is done will establish whether that business incurs liability or not. So the whole idea is to protect a business owner's personal assets as well as his business assets, and a business attorney is schooled on how to do that. You're not going to want to hire a criminal attorney to take care of your business, to protect your assets. He's not going to know how to form a corporation. He's not going to know how to do an estate plan. He's not going to be capable of providing that protective blanket around your business like a business lawyer is. Number one, they could be sued by creditors, and now their business assets are exposed to creditors unless they have the proper business entity established by the lawyer that's on their team. Secondarily, if they're not schooled by their lawyer to have the proper insurance coverage, their business assets could be exposed in a way that's separate and apart from whether or not you have entity protection. So if you don't have a business lawyer on your team to provide you, again, this protection, this knowledge that you're going to need to keep your business sailing along smoothly, you're going to run into problems. And I've always said you should have three people on your team: a business lawyer to protect your business and to provide you with the proper contracts so you're not going to get involved in lawsuits, the proper tax accountant to manage your business, and the proper marketing person, to be able to make your business continue to grow and prosper. Every lawyer cannot do every legal job that needs to be done. Again, I go back to hiring a criminal lawyer. You're not going to hire a criminal lawyer who does homicides to try to establish a business entity for you or provide you with an estate plan. You're not going to hire a tax accountant to establish a business entity when that a tax lawyer when the tax lawyer is proficient in taxes. And finally, you're not going to hire someone who does personal injury to take care of your business. Very simply, I've always premised the practice of law on the fact that you're schooled in certain areas of the law, and as a result of that, you're able to know where to go to get the information that you need to get as it pertains to your particular area of practice. So again, it's like saying, I'm going to go hire a painter rather than a plumber to clear my drains. You just simply wouldn't do that. The elements that establish or distinguish, I should say, my business from other attorneys who do what I do is that I have a three-tier platform as a business attorney that affects all areas of business, a business owner's business. And that is, one, asset protection, so your business and personal assets are protected. Number two, employment law, which allows you to deal with an attorney who has extensive experience in employment issues that come up between employers and employees. And finally, estate planning, because once the business assets are protected, you now want a way to pass them to your heirs without any problems or conditions attached to them. Very simply, I have a boutique business. You're not going to get lost in a big firm atmosphere. You're going to have somebody like me taking your calls personally. I'm going to perform the work personally, and I'm going to be flexible on my fees, which a large firm can't do. None of those things can a large firm do. So what does that equate into? That equates into your needs becoming number one as opposed to the needs of the law firm. And that's what makes me different, and that's what allows me to provide the services I do to my clients.